Back at it today, up here in North Brampton, South Caledon, in the Ontario region of Canada. Brand new warehouse space is being built on this pad. A big one, more than 1 million square feet of space. Earthworks is completed, and this is very exciting because it's right at the beginning. So there's a lot of enthusiasm for the project at the beginning. So let's go fly and have a look at what this pad looks like. I'm a licensed and insured drone operator in the GTA. Contact me if you need photo and video for your construction project.